Gili!
Christiana. Welcome to Gili T. In this island, it's quite small. There's no cars, only horse carts and bicycles, and that's what we're going to take for today to explore the island. Go on, head off.
Let's do this.
I'm giving everything I got. God knows I know it's not a lot. I'm headed somewhere but I don't know where just yet. I still got something left to prove. Prove that there's nothing I won't do. Do what it takes so I can bring you back again. All my life, you're the one thing that's always been real.
We are on an island and obviously there's beautiful beaches. That's where we came down to. There's some swings over there, that one with a flag, Indonesian flag, which we should take some photos later on. Another two. What are you doing? What is that? Ah, one of those small crabs. Shall we go for a swim?
Yeah, the water is really warm, let's go.
It might be crazy but I won't give up just yet. All my life, you're the one thing that's always been real. I'm gonna follow my heart right back to you. You're the one thing I can't stand to lose.
It's a bit windy right now and we're gonna get some pictures in the swings.
Yeah!
Swinging.
Swinging along, swinging.
That's some garbage. Woohoo!
You getting yourself coffee? Hello, hello. Thank you. Cheers. So we just ordered, myself obviously a bitang, and Christiana, explain what's that?
Banana colada.
What is that? That's a banana with...
Rum. I think. I don't know.
Seems already she's drunk. Good?
Sure.
You can taste the rum. It's nice. Enjoy. Love this beer. Bitang. Nice cool place, huh? By the beach. Sun is about to set. We're switching teams now. I'm having the banana colada. He's having the betang. Yeah?
Yeah.
I quite like this. It's nice. I love rum. Okay, thank you. Bye bye. Shall we go?
Yeah, let's go.
You're not too drunk?
No.
Just joking. Okay, so we were on our way back to our bungalow. Really nice afternoon that we spent here. We missed the sunsets as there's still about 15 minutes bike journey to our place. We had our beer, we had our banana colada, so we're heading back. Enjoyed it?
Very much. We just saw a little bit of the sunset and it was really nice.
Really cool about this island. It's about no cars, no motorbikes, really nice and peaceful. Love nature. Is that are you agreeing with me with that bell? Yeah. All right.
Green.
And we are back at our bungalow. We just had dinner. Full. This what you're hearing on the background. They're reading the Quran, which they started Ramadan today. And tell us where we're going next.
Gili Meno.
So we see you guys on the next island. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.